Helo, dwi jyst eisiau quick gair am rhywbeth cyffrous sydd yn digwydd yn yr ardal ar y dyddiadau hyn. Gwyl Gelf Calon Gwynedd. Mae yna artistiaid a llefydd yn cymryd rhan o Blaen y Ffestiniog i lawr i Porth Madog o Borth y Gest.
Hello, my name is Terrence J Bunce and I'm an artist who works mainly with the media of clay. I'm very proud to be taking part in the Heart of Gwynedd Festival.
Hi, I'm Val Lewin and I'm really looking forward to taking part in the Heart of Gwynedd Art Festival this summer. My thing is acrylic, mostly on wood. I do paintings with lots of pattern. I love pattern. I'm inspired by bits of fabric, dreams, folk art from around the world, particularly American folk art and Polish and Eastern European patterns. Very colourful, love it.
I'm Nikki Seears and you can visit my studio anytime from 10 till 12 every day of the Art Week trail, and you can come have a look at what I'm throwing, or to do some demonstrations or even have a go yourself.
Yn enw fi ydi Stephen John Owen ac dwi'n arlunydd broffesiynol ers 10 mlynedd rwan, ac dwi'n peintio ardeloedd local, swn i ddeud, ac y them gynno fi ydi tai bach local a bythynod bach hefyd.
Cadwch llygad allan am y leaflets, codwch hyn i fyny a checio allan y holl pethau amazing sy'n mynd i digwydd yn y festival week.